Hello everyone, I welcome you all for a lecture series on strategic management topics. And the topic that we have for today's discussion is strategic management, design and structure. I'm Professor Sarita from the Department of MBA, Don Bosco Institute of Technology, Bangalore. So before we start with the topic, let us now understand what exactly is the design and structure of strategic management. So how exactly it is designed, what exactly is the levels of the design, like the corporate level or the business level and things like that. So first of all, we'll see what is the definition of strategic intent. It implies the purpose which an organization attempts to achieve. It's a statement that provides a perspective of the means an organization reaches to its vision. So, explaining briefly the challenges and problems of the strategy implementation and strategy control, like the time horizon, risk considerations, vision barriers, and basis of individual rewards and basis of group rewards. So, these can be the certain challenges and things like that, and challenges or barriers in the evaluation control, limits of the control of a plan by top management, difficulties in measurement or assessing the performance of different operations and strategies, resistance to evaluate few departments. So this and all can be few barriers and challenges when it comes to the strategic evaluation and proper control. Strategic control must depend on short-term implications of activities and short-term plan. So it's really difficult to do that and requires smart strategist to evaluate the strategies. So not anybody and everybody can do it. It's a strategic level job and it has to be done by the experts. List the importance of strategic evaluation and control. So if you see what is the importance of strategic evaluation and control, it is the benchmark, the performance of strategy and company are the premises made during strategy formulation proving to be correct. Is the strategy guiding the organization towards its intended objectives? Are the organization and its managers doing things which ought to be done? Is there a need to change and reformulate that strategy? So these decisions has to be wisely taken when it comes to the proper evaluation and control of the strategies. And how the corporate culture promotes implementation of the strategy. If you see culture as the sum total of learned beliefs, values, behavior, norms, language, religion, traditions and customs that serve to direct the members of the organization to achieve the objectives and strategies. It influences the manner in which a person behaves, as consciously or subconsciously we all are governed by culture. So explain the different types of organization structures. Types of organization structures can be line organization, functional or authority, and line and staff, and the project organization, as we all know. So these are certain different kinds of organization structures we do have. So one by one, let us see. The first one is a line organization, wherein you have a very proper line control, like the president, vice president, the different plant managers. Under them you have different foremen of A, B, C, and under them we have the workers. So they all directly contribute to the functions of the organization. That's going to be the line managers and the line of control. So line organization is the simplest and oldest form of organization structure we have. It is called as military or departmental or a scalar type of organization. So this is the main functions of any organization are called as a line functions. So people who are actually working on those are called as the line managers. The line and staff organizational structure. The functions specialists are added to the line in line and staff organization. This type of organization is most common in our business economy and especially among large enterprises. A staff is basically advisory in nature and usually does not possess and command authority over line managers, because staff function, if you see, it's actually a support function. They do not actually like the kind of product manager and things like that. They're not like that. They are like advisors, the legal advisors, the financial advisors, or any assistant to the MD or the human resource managers. All these people are like, they're not line managers, they're support functions, and they do not actually command over the business. They're not directly actually dealing with the business. So functional, coming to the functional design, also commonly called as a bureaucratic organizational structure. The function structure divides the company based on specialty. This is your traditional business with a sales department, marketing department, customer service department, etc. So any function. So for example, if you see function structure could be marketing function, sales function, service function, R&D, human resource function. So it depends different functions. You have different managers and different functions work in a different structure. So that's all about the functional structure that we have, depending on the function who and all works in it. And project organization is this organization structure are temporarily formed for specific projects, and it could be only for a specific time period and for achieving certain goals, and it always has a deadline and they got to work on it. So this also can be different people coming in from different functions can be in one team as a project team, as a project function. So if you see here, project manager, under them you have different staffs working. So different project managers for different projects, and they all together they report to the CEO. If you see, this is a project design. So it could be from different functions also, people may be involved in one project. So defining what exactly is a strategic audit. Strategic audit is one of the methods for evaluating the performance of the chosen strategy. It provides a checklist of questions by area or issue which enables a systematic analysis of various organizational functions or activities. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Thank you.